Here are the internet's burning questions about the Atlantic Ocean. This ocean has ruined my life and caused me nothing but turmoil. Am I the only one? Okay, this one really isn't. It's not really a question. It's just kind of sad. It is an S shape? I guess some would say so. Odd but interesting question. Thanks. I mean, I guess it's kind of an S shape. What is the feet of all the Atlantic Ocean? I like put my feet in the ocean. I feel like I'm going insane. What is anyone talking about? You put your feet in the ocean? Cool. What's that answer? Is the Bermuda Triangle isosceles or equilateral or scalene? You know, this is the first question that's actually worth asking. There better be a good answer for this. My name is Clara. Nigeria. I'm done. What is that? What are you talking about? What do you... cool.